Hello, friends. Good morning and good evening, everyone. This ALP here again. Today we are with one of our guests, Mr. Dinesh, with us. He is an electrical engineer, and he completed his post graduation from NIT Warangal, and he is working currently in GE Transportation. Yeah. So today's the main intention is how the journey of an electrical engineer will be after graduation. So what are the different aspects involved in the finding for the job or in job search. So if you are attending for the interviews or jobs, then what are the different cases or things will be there. So sometimes you may be rejected, sometimes you may be selected, sometimes you may be held hold. So sometimes you are the branch, the core branch, whatever you studied, it may not be eligible for that particular position. So like this, there are different aspects in his profile. So he shared all the things in a detailed manner. So I also feel that it's entire the journey after graduation till today. So it inspire you, and it will also motivates you to proceed further in your career and life journey. Yeah. So keep watch this video till the end. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Dinesh. Good
Hi. Hi,
afternoon.
Lakshmipati. Good afternoon.
Yeah. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm also fine. Thank you. So you are in hometown, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
I'm in
okay.
hometown.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Yeah, thanks for joining for today's call for ALP Talks, for
Yeah.
sharing your experiences and particularly the job profile and all. So it's like your story. So people
Yeah.
can better inspire from this. So the past. Yeah, so welcome back again, Dinesh. So it's your
Yeah,
turn.
Lakshmi.
Yeah, so you just proceed. So uh, let's discuss few things about your educational background and professional backgrounds, and then we will move to the more questions. Yeah, it's your turn
Okay.
here. Proceed. Yeah,
Yeah, sure. So myself, BSS Dinesh,
yeah.
I did my graduation in BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from G. Pollard Engineering College, Kurnool.
Yeah,
So it's affiliated to JNTU. So we
yeah.
both actually did from same college.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So then I got placed in campus in multiple companies like Hewlett Packard Enterprise as well
Hmm.
as another company, the Score company.
Okay, okay.
Okay, but yeah, I was a gold medalist for my academic year.
Hmm.
I thought that maybe I need to continue my education in higher studies.
Okay,
Want to settle in service-based companies that
okay.
soon.
Yeah,
I want to give it a try.
yeah.
So I just prepared for GATE for one more year.
Hmm.
2017 to 18, I prepared for GATE.
Okay.
And then in 2018, yeah, I got a good score, not great score, yeah, but it's fine to. So I
Yeah.
thought that I will try with this score only because I don't
Okay.
want to waste one more year.
Okay.
So then I applied for many NITs. I got a seat in NIT Goa in national spot round actually.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that will be the last round of all NITs. So
Mm-hmm.
my expectation was different. Yeah, but I did not score well, so I could not able to reach that.
That's true.
Uh, yeah, yeah. So parallelly, I tried MTech in CSIR labs,
Oh,
Council
okay.
of Scientific Research in India.
Mm-hmm.
So there are two labs, one in Pilani, Rajasthan, and one in
Mm-hmm.
Chandigarh, Punjab.
Okay.
So I have attended there as well. So again, it was a conflict for me. So I got admission at NIT Goa through GATE, and I got admission at both CSIRs. So
Okay.
I was like conflict situation.
Mm-hmm.
So even though CSIR is a great institute, but since 2017 they stopped offering scientist position after their MTech. So I
Okay.
thought that
Okay.
regarding career wise and job wise, it will be difficult. So I have taken a call to go ahead with NIT
Go.
Goa.
Okay. Okay.
So I have joined power systems in NIT Goa.
Okay.
So later there was a call from NIT Surathkal and NIT Warangal for institute spot rounds. So that was a direct rounds. We need to
Okay.
directly
Mm-hmm.
attend at the institute.
Okay.
Uh, So, but
That
the
is,
twist is that we need to cancel our old seat before going there, and there is no guarantee that we will get in
oh,
the
why like that? I
institute.
mean, is this direct interview means you have to go personally? They will interview and they will choose you.
No, no, not an interview. Again, that is also based on gate score, but this is conducted individually by the institute. So
Uh-huh.
whatever the seats left out in the institute, they
Okay.
will give as per the gate score merit.
Oh, merit again means maybe it's again chances are less.
Gate score, yeah, chances are less because if some person who is greater than me, my gate score, if he comes, he
They
will
will
get
get
that
it.
chance.
If you cancel
Yeah.
this, then it is very difficult, right?
Again, it's like, yes. So I thought that, yeah, we need to really cancel it. And as per the guidelines, it was really. So I have cancelled the NIT Goa seat and I took a call to go to Surathkal.
Okay.
So this was on August 8th, which was August 8th, 2018.
Mm-hmm.
So this was the day of Institute Spot Round in NIT Surathkal.
Okay.
So I have reached the morning to Surathkal, and once I went there, it was a big sudden shock that many people who did not cancel their old NITs, they are also
Present.
joining this round. Yes, and administration is not really taking care of that. Like I went and spoke with dean that this is like a impartial, because I have cancelled my seat in NIT Goa and I came here.
Yeah.
And if people are coming who are having NIT Calicut and NIT Delhi, they are coming here. So like, it is difficult. So, and some people who are already having seat in MS research, similar to
Oh,
MTech, so they are also
yeah.
coming.
Oh,
So yeah, so
they
because
are
of
not. They
these
are not so observing the cancellation ticket seat or
yes,
something.
yes. Like when I asked, they said that it is difficult for us. It's not our duty. Like that, they are telling. I don't know, but why they mentioned
Okay.
in that
Okay.
notification.
Yeah.
That too, they mentioned it as red important note. You
Sometimes
must
we
provide.
follow rules now. Then it is like that.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So anyhow, I thought that okay, I lost 70 Goa. Now there is no option. So
Mm.
I came there and but like unfortunately, like before me only it got stopped. So in
Mm.
NIT Surathkal, like yeah, my seat got stopped before me. So the person
Yeah.
before me got, and till
You
that
you
the
did
seats
you,
were
you,
over.
you didn't get it. Okay.
Yes, I didn't get it.
Mm-hmm.
So and next day immediately August 9th was in Warangal, NIT Warangal.
Okay.
But to travel from Surathkal to Warangal, it's like
Difficult.
if you
Not
go in
flight. Only
bus,
flight is possible.
yes, yes, bus or train, it's like 20 hours, 20 hours. I can't reach by the time morning at 9 a.m.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So like
Impossible.
yeah, I was also thinking if I because Warangal is a premier institute than Surathkal. So
That's true. That's true. That's true.
if I don't get in Surathkal, I was thinking that how can I get in Warangal? There more uh, high gate score rank students will be there. Still, I was confused. So like, but yeah, my father gave me a push. He said me to go ahead in flight. So anyhow, like he said me that I am roaming all over India for many institutes. So just try with Warangal. Why can't try in our state?
Yeah. Yeah. That's true.
So so then we took a flight from Mangalore to Bangalore and Hyderabad and then reached Warangal with lots of difficulties.
Yeah.
Yeah, so once reached there, yeah, it was like again many people were there. Yeah, but luckily, like I got a seat in power systems. That was really a
Okay.
great time ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
some small issues were there regarding fees and all. Yeah, but again,
That's
those were
okay.
maskable. Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
that was the best moment.
Yeah.
Like it, I can say, yeah, like whatever I felt that whatever good I did in my life, I came
Getting
back in this
seat.
form
Getting seat is
because like
the.
my gate score was too less that like it never happened in history of NIT Warangal that for the such a for such a gate score.
You won't get generally.
Yes, for such a gate score, like we never get. Luckily, like I got, like it
Yeah,
was really
Dinesh,
lucky.
sometimes the location also happens. For example, when I my polarity college, when I attempted during the after MSET, I also not able to get at that time. But
Yes.
there
Hmm.
are some geographical locations, some local issues, some Aikyandra, some issues. So some locations also favors us. For example, NIT Warangal, people may not be coming there most of sometimes from
Yes, yes,
different places. So
exactly.
we should not think that even though premier institute we may not get as per paper,
Yes,
but we should try for that. So
yes, yes.
uh, at least 1,000, 2,000 rank you can remove from yours and you can try for that. Say if yours
Yes,
is
yes,
6,000 get rank, you can try for 4,000 get rank colleges also as per previous. Still chances are very high. Yeah,
yes, yes. So like
good, very
likewise,
nice.
I got the seat, and really that journey was like really kind of inspirational for me itself, because I traveled nearly like 10 days continuously for CSIR.
Yeah.
I traveled in general trains. It's like too difficult situation, hot summers, like
Yeah.
huge competition, and the CSIR interviews were like too difficult. Like there is a panel of 16 scientists, and handling it was difficult. So there also I did not have the hope that I won't get.
Uh-huh.
Okay, but still I was able to crack them, and yeah.
Yeah.
So finally, I'm satisfied with NIT Warangal Power Systems. So I took
Yeah.
admission in MTech Power Systems Engineering at NIT Warangal,
Okay.
and the classes actually started by July 31st, and I got admission on August 9th. And so, but the thing is
Okay.
here, these,
Some
yeah,
10 days delay. Yeah. Okay.
yes, 10 days delay, but internships will start coming from day one. Since August 1st onwards, internships started. Like I missed lots of opportunities like GE,
Oh.
like Qualcomm
Oh.
and
Okay.
Google,
Okay.
Microsoft. I missed.
Okay.
So I just came back to my hometown on August 10th, so to get my luggage and all to move to the
Yeah.
hostel.
Yeah.
So, and here was a bit interesting thing. I need to go back to my college. Like since I am an electrical engineer, like my dream company was always General Electric.
Yeah. That's
So
true.
during my BTech, like I applied nearly 20 to 30 applications. But just because our college is not a like a type
Yes.
1 college, so
That's
the
true.
applications got rejected in computer level itself.
Yeah.
So, and coming back to NIT, like August 13th, we got a notification that GE is coming for internship to NIT Warangal.
Okay.
So I thought, okay, I did not try at least there, like, let me try.
Here
And
again. Yeah.
yes, I just came back to 10th August to hometown, and 13th August, my parents were telling, leave it, you can stay 2 3 days, you are traveling like that. But still, okay, I thought that I should not miss that opportunity
You
even
again
once.
traveled.
So again, traveled back to Warangal. I attended August 13th written test. But
Okay.
I was thinking in my mind, one thing was there in mind. I want to talk openly everything here, like whatever was there,
Yes, that's
because
true. You proceed.
this
Proceed.
really matters to many people who
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
having low gate score.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I was thinking that many of my friends were like, my gate score was 437. There's nothing to hide. Like many
Okay.
students were like 570, 630. So there
Hmm.
is a huge gap between me and them. Like I was
Yeah.
thinking that they are like ultimate in electricals, but still I did not forget that I am a gold medalist from bachelor's. That does only gate does not qualify me as a this
Yeah.
person. Yeah, I will come to my activities later, but just
Yeah.
let me
Yeah.
complete
That's
this
true. Yeah.
education part.
Proceed. Proceed. Proceed.
Yeah, so I went with some confidence. Like still I have attended the exam, like it was fine, but I did not have any, like I thought that just I will give it, so it's up to, because GE is my dream.
That's it.
And yeah, then again, like college started, classes were going, and like suddenly, like in one day around 9:45 a.m, like suddenly one person was calling me when I'm in call. So actually that particular class was a professor like who is very strict,
Oh.
very strict, like he's a very strict person,
Hmm.
and everyone literally fears for him, honestly, like
That
he just,
depends. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
yeah.
Sometimes it will be
So
there.
I was not able to lift my call, and like he messaged that are you is this Sri Sai Dinesh Ballupalli, like
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and again my one of my other friend was calling and telling that you got shortlisted for GE
GA.
internship, so you have interview at 10:15 a.m, so just 20 minutes time gap was there.
Yeah.
So then like that I got like my classmates, 2 3 more people got the same call, so we all like we stood up, and out of so much fear we asked that professor, sir, we have interview, so can we go? Like yeah, he was very good, and he supported that,
Okay.
he
Okay.
said, yeah, go ahead, go ahead. So we
Hmm.
went, and there was a like dress code of for interviews, like white shirt and black pant. Like I just came from home that I don't have any white shirt, formal white shirt, no shoes, formal shoes.
Hmm.
Like literally I went with one black jeans and one formal white shirt which has pockets, and I went with sandals, no shoes, nothing.
Mhm.
Like when I'm coming there, one placement coordinator asked it that like who are you? Where are you coming from? Like I said that I said that like I'm coming for an interview like gee, so Bhaiya, like what is this Bhaiya, like what is this, like we
Your
have
dress code and all, it's not good.
I said that I don't have like at the moment, so what
Time.
can I do? So let it be, like I will try. Let's see.
Because
So
time
yeah,
frame is
I
very
went and
less. Otherwise, you can
yes,
manage
time frame
it.
is
Yeah, yeah.
yes, yeah. So I went and so there was a first round was there. So I attended for the first technical round.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was like so they started asking about power system protection, but I am very weak in electrical and only in power system protections only. Actually, power systems I am weak. Like I'm weak in power system only. Like I'm bit strong in control system and power electronics side, and power system machines a bit I'm weak. So they started asking on relays and everything. But I have one positive skill that I can uh, like start my
Explain.
info and start my giving about myself and take them to subjects where I know a bit in power system. So
That's true.
so yeah, even though they asked me about digital protection of power system, I said whatever I know, and I am confident most in substation engineering,
Okay,
as my
okay.
father works in
Mm-hmm.
substation
Yeah.
electrical department. I am more familiar with it. So
Okay.
like I linked this digital protection with the substation grid and
Yeah.
power grids and all. So
Mm-hmm.
even they were also more interested in the grid concepts and substation automation,
Yeah.
because the profile was mainly for substation automation. But I did not
Okay.
knew that.
Okay.
So I have somehow deviated from power system relays to substation automation, okay, SCADA, and this remaining all things. So then
Mm-hmm.
interview went with that. Yeah, I was comfortable and I was going ahead and telling about what is SCADA and what is wide area monitoring protection and all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but I was very honest that like when my interviewer asked me that what is your level of programming skills, I said I only know C programming. I don't know any other programming. Like I don't want to tell that I know this, I know that.
Yeah,
Yes, I
yeah,
know.
yeah, that's true. Mm.
So and again, she asked how much can you rate out of 10. Like, I said that frankly, again, I want to tell that I can rate only 4 out of 10, because I don't think C is that a small language, that it's a very vast, and if someone tells 7 and 8, that means that he is like a
Highly
Charles Babbage.
confident.
He is like a Charles Babbage. I don't know how they will.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, yeah.
difficult.
Mm.
So yeah, they asked some questions regarding that.
Mm.
Yeah, but mainly my substation automation skills has got me through, and there was next HR round as well.
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh,
even
okay.
there also so there again, like I started speaking about very frankly about my personal hobbies. Like I do short films, so I
Yeah.
started telling about my short films, because I because in normal colleges, okay, if I tell that I am doing short films, they will treat it as different way. Some
In
companies,
NIT,
service
yes,
based companies,
that's true.
but in premium colleges, but I did not expect that response from them. They were like very cool, and they really appreciated. And whenever I said that short film, they asked a few questions like how you managed the team, how you took the pressure. They are seeing these particular skills, like unlike simply commenting that what you did, you are time passing it. They were taking good skills from that activities.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
I
They are
also shared
observing.
my
Yeah.
yes.
Mm.
And yeah, but they were they were checking me whether I'm honest. They opened YouTube and they checked that whether that film is there or not. And again, like
Mm.
one of more my hobbies like web development. I
Yeah.
said that I did a website, so they opened and they checked my website. Yeah,
Okay.
they liked it, and they asked my positives, negatives. Yeah, finally it was done, and I went and I slept. So evening, like when I woke up and I saw like in placement, like there was a list, and my name was there, and one
Okay.
of my classmate name was there. Like that was the best moment, really, like in my
Yeah.
life. Like I can tell, first best moment.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
That is for
because the
interview,
thing is,
right? This entire process is for in the internship only.
internship. So this
Yeah.
is still I did not even go for MTech class as well. Just
Mm.
only 1 or 2 classes I attended for MTech. So
Yeah.
very starting stage only we will get this.
Yeah. That is a good
So
advantage with the institutions, the good institutions.
institutions.
Yeah.
And one more twist is that the same resume which I applied when I'm in Pularade College, and when the same resume I applied here also. No changes in that. Just a matter of tier 1 college that our
That's it.
thing will get recognized.
Yeah.
Obviously, like even premier institutes, they need to keep some criteria for filtering, or else it's difficult for them
That's
to.
true. That's true. Otherwise, everyone they can't
They
go through
can't
the
interview
resume
and
and filter it. Yeah,
yes,
that's difficult. Yeah,
that's
yeah,
difficult. So I thought that, like literally, like within 1 or 2 days, like I actually decided to go and join JNTU Anantapur because I did not get any seat,
yeah.
frankly. So then I thought that okay, like finally NIT Warangal helped me in MTech as well as in internship.
Yeah.
So this was my journey for internship.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah.
Very nice.
So
Yeah.
yes.
So
Shall I go ahead with
yeah, go ahead.
remaining,
Go
or
ahead.
you
Go
have
ahead. Go
anything?
ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah.
So MTech journey is fine. Like it was like
Mm-hmm.
very best professors were there. Like one or two professors. Like I need to name them. Like one Professor M. Saidulu and DVSS Sharma sir
Mm.
and Vinod Kumar sir. Like these three are like heart of power systems engineering. Like
Mm.
I can literally, like I can never forget those people. Like each have their own particular
Mm.
specialities.
Mm.
Like one, like the person who this Shiva Sharma sir, he is my professor. Like he's a strict guy. Like everyone feels. And like one more funny incident is that everyone fears only for that particular professor. Like I don't know. Like even I myself used to fear. Hmm. But like for us, like assignment of guide is based on cheat system. Like we need to check a cheat, and they based, like when I taken cheat, like that
Only
strict professor was
his name
aside
came.
me. Yes, and like every of my friends were laughing like anything, like you are gone like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
so that was the situation. Yes, but I will come to that point. Like, but I observed that during starting that there was some people behaved me with me like that. Yeah, I'm a less gate score students, and they tried to speak with me in different sense. That you came in institutes on, so you paid any money, extra money, or like they tried to, I don't know, but
Yeah.
sometimes it's
Yeah.
kind of insulting.
Yeah.
So okay, I
Sometimes it
thought that
happens. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yes,
That's
some
true.
people, like I observed that okay, the way they are talking also, like okay, some very less people, not everyone, some are the great friends I have.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
That's
some
true.
people are like education minded, and so I was like okay, let it be, like time comes,
Yeah.
like
No
when
problem. Yeah. Yeah.
and when I got my internship, the same, like one or two people came and talked to me that yeah, I know that you are capable like that, changing this words. Yeah, these are the like five good incidents. Like
Okay. Okay.
but like but MTech was really good, and then like this classes got progressed, and exams, these things
Mm-hmm.
were there.
Mm-hmm.
But during this stage I have some personal issues. Because of this, I was a bit mental, like a bit mentally not healthy during that, because of some personal issues, and suddenly exams were there. But still, I don't know, like since my BTech onwards, like my positiveness is that when I'm sad and depressed only, I can do like more power, like kind of maybe inspired from Dhoni, like under pressure can work well. So like I did
Yeah.
well, and like in December, like that, like some of my friends like asked me that, like by the time they came to know about my resume, like I am having some multiple areas
Okay.
expertise. Like I
Hmm.
develop websites, I do short
Mm-hmm.
films, and I have certifications from NPTEL. So they
Hmm.
asked me that like we also wanted to have something regarding project. So we thought to apply for one hackathon challenge.
Okay.
So
Okay.
like, they only motivated me, like it was their call, so they wanted
Mm-hmm.
that. So I
Mm-hmm.
just created one idea, so which was a real time idea actually.
Mm-hmm.
So that was hackathon challenge was conducted by IIT Guwahati, Delhi, along with
Mm-hmm.
Robert Bosch.
Okay.
Okay, on
Boss.
how to
Boss. Yeah.
prevent road accidents and these systems.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I created one idea called accident alert systems. So whenever an accident takes place, like it will automatically send an alert to the nearest medical
Okay.
aid in India.
Okay. Okay. We have one
So
movie
that
also
was
in
the
Telugu and the
yeah
same
in
concept.
Chitralare. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I will come to that. Like that is also again coincidence. Like
Yeah.
anyhow, I'm leaking that information that after my project submission, after 1.5 months, that movie came. So
Okay.
it was
Okay.
my own idea.
Okay.
So I
Yeah.
did
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
come. Yeah. Just I want to tell, like, yeah,
Yeah.
I was also shocked that when I'm
Yes.
watching that movie, I did not. I don't gender. I will come to that point later. We can go
Okay.
in
Okay.
sequence.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I applied for that challenge. Like first round was to give idea and how you are going to proceed it, and yeah, like we did not expect the response because many IIT students will be applying.
That's true.
So, but when result came, like we were like all India second in first round.
Oh,
Like
no.
our
Okay.
idea got actually, like, to be frank, that idea was inspired from my own life story. Like one of my friends, just before 6 months, he died in such a case. Like he is very close friend of mine. His name is Suresh, from same my college classmate,
Okay.
Pullareddy college.
Okay. Okay.
So they were coming from Nandyal, one state to one place to Karnool. So in
Mm.
highway, like they met some vehicle, hit them. So
Mm-hmm.
like my friend is sitting back, another guy is driving. So the guy who is driving, he spot dead, and my friend was like, okay, like he has some time, but the time taken for ambulance to come, for another vehicle to come and stop and call ambulance, was like 15-20 minutes. Again, ambulance to reach that
Ah,
place was 15-20 minutes, and even ambulance could not go to exact hospital, nearest hospital. Like they took different
motor.
route. So because of
Mm-hmm.
all these, like he was dead in the midway. Like so like I thought, like maybe that could be the driving point for my
Yeah,
project. Like, why can't
that's.
work on real time project? So like I worked on it. Like I kept my full heart.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that first round was completed, and second round was to give implementation level
Mm-hmm.
algorithm.
Okay.
So even these all are from online rounds. So second round was a bit tactical. We need to write implementation level pseudocode
Mm-hmm.
algorithm without
Mm-hmm.
code, but everything should be there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we have written, and we have written the proofs, and like yeah, some of my friends named Pawan Joshi also helped me, like in much in software, like
Yeah,
to convert my ideas into the code, because
yeah, yeah.
I generally like keep more stress on algorithm, but like yeah, he used to help me in coding, and like two more
That's.
friends like Sierra and Pawan Zulani, like they also had a good role.
Mm.
So finally, we together as a team finally applied for the second round, and like I don't know, that was a coincidence, or like every Hindu will be having one dream, like to go Balaji temple. There is L1 darshan will be there, where we can see from near, very near. So like
Mm-hmm.
one day, like we got that opportunity in 2019 January. Like okay, so we went there. We got that some L2 darshan like that. So the same day, I got a call that we got shortlisted in top 30 for finalists
Wow, very
for that
nice.
project. So for that, we need to travel to IIT Guwahati for finalists.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we like our professors, like again, like my guide, like
Supporting.
he
Mm-hmm.
supported like very much, and he arranged everything. Like there, I saw the power of NITs and IITs, like where they can send students, like they regarding funds, like transport, everything they arrange
Yeah, yeah.
just to support. And so we have reached like the contest was on March 29th,
Mm-hmm.
like that, and like that. So we have reached IIT Guwahati, and that was 24 hours hackathon challenge. Like we will be sitting
Okay,
in one auditorium continuously, today
okay.
afternoon 1 p.m. to tomorrow afternoon 1 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
So we went there, and like we started working. We need to work again from scratch there, fresh
Mm-hmm.
scratch.
Mm-hmm.
So we started working there, and again, like we will be assigned one mentor from Robert Bosch. So they will
Okay.
keep on asking doubts and counter.
Mm-hmm.
So we started building our
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah, this is about this video, guys. This is a part one of this video. For continuation, please do watch a part two of this web interview. I hope you enjoyed the content. So if you are watching this video for the first time, then do subscribe to this channel so that you will get notifications whenever I'm uploading videos. If you have any questions or comments or anything, then comment in comment section. The contact details of the guest of our video, Mr. Dinesh, I already provided in the description. So you can connect with him also if you wish. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video. Bye.